Are you tracking your deadline payments? Most supplement business owners don't, and it quietly eats into their monthly revenue. Even a 5% decline rate can mean hundreds or thousands in lost sales. Here's a quick way to stay on top of your transactions. Just record your payments, mark which ones were approved or declined, and review the sheet weekly to catch any patterns, like specific products, customers, or card types that fail more often. Tracking your approvals and declines isn't just good bookkeeping. It is how you catch payment problems early. Declines can happen for dozens of reasons: processor filters, expired cards, or gateway errors. With EasyPay Direct, you get advanced transaction routing that automatically retries or reroutes failed payments through multiple back-end banks. That means more successful transactions and fewer missed sales for your supplement business. And here's a quick FAQ insight. Supplement and nutraceutical merchant accounts are considered higher risk, which means monitoring your transaction patterns is essential to keep your account in good standing. Staying proactive helps prevent flags or holds from your processor. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can learn how their system helps capture more payments automatically. Don't let declines fly under the radar. With this simple tracker and EasyPay Direct's smart routing tools, you can protect your revenue and keep your supplement business running smoothly. Check the link in the description to get started today.